Can your renewable energy business grow faster than your ability to sell? Most renewable energy businesses are built on the founder's ability to sell. In the early years, this is often a significant advantage. The founder understands the technology, knows the market, builds customer relationships, and can communicate the company's value proposition with conviction. The business grows because customers trust the founder, but eventually a problem emerges. The founder's time becomes increasingly divided between sales, operations, finance, project delivery, and people management. Growth begins to slow. The pipeline becomes less predictable. Salespeople are hired but struggle to replicate the founder's success. Despite increasing market opportunities, revenue growth appears to hit a ceiling. At this point, many business owners ask, how do we grow faster? The better question may be, can the business grow faster than the founder's ability to sell? For many renewable energy businesses, the answer is no. Not because demand is lacking, not because the product is weak, not because the market opportunity has disappeared, but because the business has not yet developed the commercial systems required to scale beyond the founder. Founder's dependency is a sales capacity problem. A business becomes founder dependent when critical sales knowledge exists in the founder's head rather than within the organization. The founder knows which customers to target, how to position the business, how to qualify opportunities, how to manage complex buying decisions, and how to negotiate and close deals. Unfortunately, much of this knowledge is often undocumented. As a result, every new salesperson must effectively start from scratch. The business is not scaling its sales capability. It is simply attempting to clone the founder. This approach rarely succeeds. Sustainable growth requires something different. It requires building sales capacity. Sales capacity is the ability of a business to consistently generate revenue through systems, processes, standards, and people, rather than through the efforts of a single individual. A business with strong sales capacity can recruit and onboard salespeople successfully, consistently generate qualified opportunities, forecast revenue with confidence, develop sales capability over time, and scale without increasing dependence on the owner. The challenge is that many business owners do not know where their current sales capacity strengths and weaknesses lie, which raises an important question. If growth has slowed, where is the constraint? Is it strategy? Is it the sales process? Is it management? Is it training? Is it recruitment? Or is it something else entirely? Consider the following questions. Could a new salesperson explain your value proposition as clearly as you can? Is your sales process documented and consistently followed? Could you accurately forecast sales revenue for the next 6 months? Do you know which sales activities drive results? Could your business continue growing if you stepped away from day-to-day selling for 3 months? Can you identify the specific sales skills your team needs to develop? Are your sales systems capable of supporting a larger sales team? Introducing the Renewable Energy Sales Capacity Assessment. This free 10-minute online assessment measures your business's readiness to achieve sustainable growth through scalable systems rather than dependence on the founder or individual salespeople. Complete the online scorecard and receive your complimentary sales capacity score, together with insight into your business's ability to scale beyond founder-led selling. The link to the scorecard is included in the post. The Renewable Energy Sales Capacity Assessment evaluates the 8 essential building blocks that enable a business to grow beyond founder-led selling, namely strategy, sales process, sales roles, sales standards, sales targets, management systems, sales training and development, and sales remuneration. Your score provides a practical starting point for identifying growth constraints and developing a roadmap to build a stronger, more scalable sales organization. Just a reminder, you will find the link to the scorecard included in the post.